This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in Mountain Joy. We're upstairs, and this particular room has the LG flat screen television. It has a Samsung Wi-Fi smart Blu-ray player, and so here's the Samsung remote, and there's the LG remote for the television. Now, this TV is best operated utilizing the Samsung. It does have the DVD player, which will allow us to actually access the Hulu, the Amazon, the YouTube, Netflix, and so forth. And so what you're going to end up doing is utilizing this by going to the home button. Now, I will tell you, just so that you see this on the LG remote, you have the input control. And right now we are set to HDMI 1. So if you're on any other input, it's not going to function. So once you're kind of active with the Blu-ray player, you can go ahead and use the controls, and then you can use the arrow keys, and you can go through. So if you have a Netflix account or a Prime, Amazon Prime, or however, you can go ahead and use the smart TV feature utilizing this. And so if you've got any further questions on how to operate and use the system, you can give us a call. The landline phone number in the office at DoneRight Management is 208-634-0030. Once again, if you've got any questions regarding the operation of the television up here in the bedroom at Mountain Joy, you can reach out to us. The number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.